Tales from the Engines 28. Annoying Gordan. Gordan! Gordan! Gordan, wake up! What? Wait, where am I? This isn't right. I shouldn't be here. Well, Gordan, just take a look at your surroundings. Why? Where am I? Where are my coaches? What is this place, Percy? It's the holiday home. The holiday home? What holiday home? The holiday home. If you watched yesterday's episode of Tales from the Engines, you'd know that already. Tales from the Engines? What the hell's that? Okay, never mind. Come on, Gordan. I'll show you around. Hold on. This view sucks. Let's see, what is this place? So, this, Gordan, this is a table. No, I won't be going over there next. Is this whole series of episodes just going to be about us, aka the engines, how to find the way around this place? Yep. Well, this is going to be boring. No, but there will be a chess episode soon. Now, Gordan, this is the big bed. The big bed, huh? I like it here. Can I stay here? No, we've still got a whole house to tour. Oh no, Gordan, come back! This is the desk. Look at the desk. Yeah, have you not seen it? Oh yeah, that's a desk. Come on, Gordan. This is the chessboard. Okay. Well, what do you think of that, Gordan? It was alright. I'm gonna stay here, tell those cards to go away, because I'm trying to sleep. Okay, good night, people.